Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to Not Too Shabby Chic. I have a Temu order. I am part of their collab where I will review some of their products, do an unboxing and various things like that, and show you some of the products that I like and that I've ordered. So without further ado, let's get started. It all came, I don't know how in the world they fit it into this little bag, but they did. And I love these bags that they send things in. These are amazing bags. So let's dig in. Oh, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. So we have these things. I'm moving to the side. First, I wanted some shaker mix. Aren't those cool? These little flowers. And these are 1,000 pieces in here for $1.19. And they are gorgeous colors. Great for any shaker tag that's what I want to use them for. I love them. So that's that. Then I have, I'm going to try this little mini screwdriver. It's a sewing machine screwdriver, which I need for my screwdriver and a couple of other things. Look how tiny. It's a Phillips head and it's little, so I can get it and fit it right in for my sewing machine and other things that are in tight spots. So this is super cool. And I also want to use it to deconstruct a VHS tape. So hopefully this will work and I'll show you. Then I have these gorgeous denim flowers. Get 5. Sorry for the crinkling. And the 5 were $2.89. I will put links to all the products in my description box. Aren't these gorgeous? For journal covers. They are so pretty. And they all look pretty similar. But aren't those pretty? I love them. Gorgeous. So that's that. Then I have, let's see which one is which. $200 pieces labels / stickers. And these were $3.39, but I got 200, and they're in their coffee. It's called Coffee Notes. So let's take a look. Oh my word! You get a bunch. I thought they were a little larger than they are, but they'll be great for collaging and putting on tags, journal cards, and little clusters. So these are really pretty. I really like them. Like I said, I thought they were a little bigger, but it tells you, I just don't know millimeters. But look at all these. Some are larger. So aren't these beautiful? They'd be great on tags and stuff. I think of some of my friends that use lots of these, and the cool thing that these are supposed to be stickers. So let's see. If not, you know, you can just glue them down, but I want to see if I can separate. Yes, I think I can. The little engine that could. I think I can. I think I can. Yes, and look, they're sort of see-through stickers. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. Let me find something I'm going to use that I can put it on to share with you. Well, let's just get this piece of parchment paper, as I don't want to waste this sticker. And we'll just put it right here. And it works. It looks great. Love it. So this is awesome. So let me get them all scooped back up and in the little envelope that they came in. Thank you, Temu. This is, so there were tiny ones and bigger ones, so that was awesome. So I got a variety of sizes, which is super cool. So, and it has the little thing to tuck that back in right there. Yay, I love those. Then I got this embossing folder, which is absolutely beautiful, and it was $2.89. You cannot beat the prices, and their products are great quality. Get that out of the way. So this is like swirls and leaves. Isn't that beautiful? Can't wait to use it. Awesome. Really, really pretty. Love that. And then I got these book corners. You get 30 for $1.49. Now these aren't the ones that slide over the corner. These are like faux corners, so you can just put them on the corner of a page or on the corner of your book by just gluing it on, like so. You don't have to squeeze it on or anything. Isn't that pretty? For a journal cover, and they're lightweight, so you could put them on the corner of a page without adding too much bulk. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. So they were, you know, all the same. I got the antique gold, and they come in this cool little container. I can get them closed back. Very nice. Then I got several others. These are leather labels, 20 pieces for $1.19. Love these, and I'll have links to all these products in the description box, so please check them out. You can't beat these prices, guys. And I will have a code for first-time users and other codes that you can use as well. I got the gold because I love that color, handmade. Special edition for you, and they've got the little holes where you could put brads or just leave it as is. So 20 pieces of these. They look gorgeous. Love those. Then I got some gorgeous dies. This one is called a stackable tag, and I guess these designs go on top of the tag once you cut it out. But I love the shape of this tag. Isn't that gorgeous? So really happy with that. I can't wait to use some of these things and show you hopefully some videos using them. These numbers, I love the shapes of this number die. And I got two different ones. This one I believe is $1.99. Can't beat that price with a stick. And then this one is a little different, and it is $2.89. It was more expensive. I'm not sure why, but I liked it too. Then I got this little nesting die, and it was $1.69. So you got all those different sizes. Pretty tags. Then I got the film strip, which I've been wanting. Isn't that cute? And it's got a little camera with a heart at the top of it. Love that. And I want to try using this with vellum so that it could look like a real film strip. And this was $1.19. Then I got this honeycomb die, which I love the way that looks to add texture. And the honeycomb die was $1.69. Then I got these, and they all fell out. But I saw Rust Paper Scissors with something similar, and these are hemming clips that you hold your hem when you're sewing, which they will work great for that. I think they'll also work great on our journal pages when we want to hold something together till it dries. So you can just slide it on and it'll gently hold without making a dent. But Rust Paper Scissors, she got some of these, not from Temu I don't think, and she rusted them. So I want to rust some. I'm going to keep some to use. Get, how many pieces did I get? 20. I ordered 20. There's 2 different amounts you could order, but I want to try rusting them and see how they look, and then save some to use to hold things together. So these were awesome, and they were $8, but these are kind of pricey on Amazon. So $8 for 20 was a really good buy. And they're not super thick, so you could use them in your journal if you rust them, or if you don't, to hold a paper product, whether it's a tag, a journal card, or a picture on a page. They're great. I think you can get different lengths as well, but I wanted the long ones. And I believe, my dears, that is everything I ordered. So I hope you liked what I got, and I will have all the links below. Go check these out. You need to get you some of all these things because they're great. And I will be hopefully doing some more videos to show you how I use some of these. So I hope you have a great day. Remember that God loves you, and so do I. Bye-bye.